Dis Sophia too dey do notice me everytime. E too dey like do notice me. Una no dey notice am. Anytime wey David dey get any show wey im dey do, like any event wey David dey do, Sophia must like get im own event or get something that he will do. I don't know whether he's doing all those things to for him not to put energy for wetin David dey do online, all those stuff like that. He go just focus im energy for the thing wey im dey do. Na wetin me I dey notice where Sophia dey. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do well to hit the notification button. Anytime I upload a new video, you will be the one first to see it. To my old subscribers, I say each and every one of you guys are the best. To my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. My new subscribers, I love you guys so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for supporting me so far. Every time that David wants to do something, this Sophia must look for one or two something that he would do, channel in energy to that place so that he will not have distraction, because social media now, they go dey post everything wey David dey do online. She go dey see am. Maybe if she dey see am, she no dey feel comfortable. That is why she dey always dey look for something wey go distract her for anything. Because anytime David wan do something, he must surely announce it like 1 month or 2 months to that day he want to do something. I dey notice it. That is how David used to do. At least 2 months, 1 month or 3 months, you don reach you make you wan do something, wetin you no even get for mind to do, because you no wan drag your attention to wetin David dey do. You go like wan go do something so that you go distract you for that thing, and e no make sense. Stay there make you see how David dey do am, make you see as im dey grow. As you see am there, so she no dey happy o. She no happy. She just dey dance, dey forget away the pain wey dey through his mind. E no happy o, because e no happy. Since if na, I wish David marry this girl Sophia. Internet for the hot for picture, like e leave other baby mamas, like finally end up with her. The kind video, picture wey una go dey see Sophia dey post, e go dey shock una. Una see Chioma now. Chioma no dey too post. E no dey carry on dey post. If you wan see Chioma post, unless im dey go for show with his husband, or e dey go somewhere, at least he's going out, like outing, before you go see am make a video and post. Even the video sef, most of the video sef, she's not the one doing it. It's either her husband cousin or Chioma friend that the one doing that video for her. She's not the one even taking out her phone and start recording herself. That is only when you see Chioma post, or you see Chioma picture flying on social media. But imagine say na Sophia Davido marry. We for no hear word. You see this internet, we for no breathe. Like this show now wey David get now. Do you know how many videos Sophia for don post, or how many pictures for don post? Thousands of pictures and thousands of videos. If you no like am, leave am like that. Na wetin e for take pepper una. Anytime wey David wan train, Sophia must surely train. You dey use Davido name dey train o, and e dey go well for you. E dey enter well for you, and it's good. If na only David, like anytime David dey do something, you wan dey train, e still make sense. No dey come outside dey come dey drag Chioma dey put for una saga. As anytime David dey train, you train so that you go dey train also, because na through David now you dey train. You don't want to move on, you don't want to let go, you don't want to date another person, you don't want to face your career. I don't know why. You cannot do things on your own. Must you link with people? Must you look for something they will use and talk about you all the time? Every time, you must surely bring out option. You must surely bring out something. When David want to get married, that is how you come outside. We have been dating for how many years? We have been doing that for how many years? You are looking for attention. You are looking so that they will channel the energy they wanted to channel to David to congratulate him on his wedding day, to channel it to you. If you are doing well, how do you expect David to leave you to get married to another person? It's because you are not doing well. You are there because of the money. Let's be honest to ourselves. You are there because of the money, nothing. If Davido is somebody that don't have money, are you going to be coming out all the time to be looking for one way, one thing or the other that you will throw to David to make him look bad, to make him look as if it's not important. Like all what he's preaching, that is not what he's doing. So that day you come outside to say that he buy, your uncle come outside to say David buy car but school fees no dey. So that day David buy car, he come outside talk. Eh? Wetin David go do wey you go ever like? Nothing wey David go do you go like. You must get fault. David dey do birthday o, you come outside with your pikin, question and answer, just to find something that will distract you, not to get attention to see what David is doing. It doesn't make sense. I don't know how you sleep. Your conscience no dey judge you. If you dey do all dis thing wey you dey do, move on. David have already move on. You like do all dis thing wey you dey do, David no dey even dey see you. That is the worst part of it. He's not seeing you. Please move on. Don't be doing notice me. I beg you. Leave that day that Davido is doing something for Davido alone. For Davido to carry trend. If you notice am, people no dey too carry your matter again because they don notice wetin you dey do. Say you dey purposely dey do that thing and e no dey make sense. I no know whether you no dey shame, you no dey even dey see wetin people dey talk on social media because of you. Move on. Let it go. E don happen, e don happen. Nobody is above mistake. E don happen. No be much say you go born for person, much say the person go marry you. Maybe when the person give you that belle, e no dey ready to be a husband, then it doesn't mean that once you get married to somebody, once you will get married, if you born for that person, once say you go marry you. Just let it go and move on. You're a beautiful lady now, no doubt. You fine, you cute, you beautiful. Anything that they call beautiful, you beautiful. At least you senior the guy, but you still they look more younger. At least you are looking younger every day. Just let it go. It is what it is. Move on. Pepper us with your own. Bring your own trend. We will help you and trend it. No, they trend when David is trending. It doesn't make sense. It don't they look suspicious. It don't they look obvious. People know the true reason your matter again. That means if Davido come now say, Sophia, will you marry me? You go gree as a second wife. Thank God, I beg. Please move on now. Move on. We will go chop rice. We will celebrate with you. I will be the most happiest person on earth if you surely move on with your life and forget about anything, David. Maybe now as you dey do this thing now wey you dey do this giveaway wey you dey give now, they will think say na you dey do am. They will thought that you are the one doing it. Everything you want use and trend. Everything you want notice. Everything you want me to talk about you. My dear, just let it go and see how it goes to try another person. Let's see the difference between that person and David. Whether the person go fit collect half of what David collect from you. Our big mama, move on. Move on. Abi if you want more carry man come give you, abeg talk, make we look for one confirm man come give you, so that you go move on, you go let Davido rest. E don dey obvious. Everybody don dey notice am. It's obvious, like there's no different. Like any blessed day that David bring out something, you must bring out your own. Any slight mistake that David has something to do, you must have something to do on your own. If na maybe David sef, I will not be announcing what I want to do again. If I want to do something is 1 week, like remain 1 week to that day, I will announce it. Why David announce it 1 month or 2 months ahead to the event? Now because of make people turn up and make people ready. If though you no get money to buy the ticket, at least before 1 month, 2 months, you go don get that money to buy the ticket and turn up for him. That is why he's putting it ahead 1 month, like 1 month or 3 months before the day. But no, that time when he go do am, this girl go get 1 or 2 things wey she go do dey distract attention, make dem go give David to herself. Imagine now if this David Lagos show now go finally get head for Lagos. This one dey hear say they don cancel. Muna dey notice am. She must look for something like that she will do to comot that energy, that attention from David to come to his side. And the people don dey notice am. You go do this thing, you go do this thing. When you dey do something serious, they will not even take it serious again because you don dey do notice me all the time. David dey do this one, you must always be on block. David dey do this something, you must surely be there all the time. I know say e pain you like as David no fella no let her end up with you, but it is what it is. David has the own reason why he didn't end up with you. You no go just wake up and say, "Oh, this is my first love. Let me just leave her like that." No, he has his own reason. It's not everybody you build with will marry you. That is it. You are there with David. There, you guys grow together. You see, David started blowing like it doesn't matter. David have moved on and go for the person her heart beat